going home. And I bet my sister, you know, she got her own business, right? You know, she's catering and all that stuff. So, let me have got the screen. My sister, okay. When was the day right? Anyone up for a dark fish sticking? What's that name?
That wasn't Mrs. Perryman.
That's not Lynn?
No.
What's up with her?
It looks like her.
Yeah, it does, though. Does she blow? It is her.
Really? What time is it?
But, yeah, but
Well, here's your majority of your storm here. Majority of your storm here. See, it's falling. The last time I filmed earlier, snow's gotten heavier and it's falling and appears to have gotten colder than normal. Well, colder than earlier. Snow is falling at a steady rate right now, and it's pretty nice. And a couple shots of the cars rolling by. There's a CTA bus for you. Here's a sort of view. We're entering a path that is a circular motion. It is.
what you gotta feel bad for? But I'm like, you got a car. You can't open that. You couldn't run back here and pick you up.
Snow's falling heavily now. The wind's picked up, and here's some snow. And you've got this here. Probably can't really see it that well, but you've got this snow here. So now currently we're in a park-like scene. And you've got some snow drifts. Here's a really big mound. Here's a really big snow drift here. You get a detail of how deep the snow is and how things are. And oh wow, look at that. Now I'm going in for that right there. This is a big snow drift coming in, and this is a wind coming out from there. The exterior right there. This is actually really good footage of a snow kicking and how powerful the wind is when you have two sections in that area right there. This is how strong these snow drifts are. And you get an idea of how cold it really is, that the snow is actually being blown this way. And you're basically working with this huge, abrupt snowstorm. I almost tripped over a boulder. But this is looks completely snow covered there. You got some rabbit tracks in there. And the wind's picking up. It's getting stronger. Picked up all over the place. place, and that's because of this wind. And it's really treacherous rock. My face is actually colder than before, and that's whew. It's not just really not as treacherous as Snowstorm. And this is where the majority of the snow just comes right here, right in this long section, right here. This is where the majority of the wind coming to those snow come from. And it's because 22-story buildings blocking the wind, and the wind coming through that motion. The trees are moving in that state as well. And there you go. You've got your really heavy snow falling, and the wind's blowing awfully hard. I'm Christian Johns reporting live on your Shaw Loop. Thank you.